The truth is, the teaching profession has become the last resort. JAMB will bring out cutoff, 200 university, 150 polytechnic, and then 100 college of education. So that alone is disheartening. So you see that a lot of people who are in our colleges of education really don't want to be there. They are there because life, in quote, has pushed them there. They didn't meet the cutoff. The workforce, right? The same thing. You wanted a job in a particular place and you can't get it. People will normally advise you, why don't you go and teach? At least have something to hold body, in quotes. Anybody can just walk into a classroom and teach, unlike other professions where if you don't have a particular certification or qualifications, you can't be there. So all of these things have become part of the problems with the teaching professions.